Hey there, it's Noah here from Thrive, and many of my clients don't realize how vulnerable WordPress is and why they need a care plan. I'm going to show you a couple of things here. So looking at this chart, we're looking at websites that were infected in 2017. You can see the big winner here when it comes to websites that were hacked was WordPress. And another stat here, more than 70% of WordPress installations are vulnerable, and that's because there's over 56,000 WordPress plugins out there developed by all sorts of different people, and some of them just go off and get regular jobs and leave their plugins that become vulnerable and need to be updated. I've written a blog post that goes into great detail for why you need a care plan for your website, why I do not recommend the DIY approach. Looking at my services here, I'm going to go through this really quickly. So the care plan itself, it includes hosting, so I want to make sure that you're hosted on a website server that's secure and performs well, has SSL, etc. You'll see here I monitor your website 24/7, so your website ever goes down, which is really rare on my hosting, super rare. I'll get an email, or my team gets an email, and they check it out, fix it immediately. We'll have on-site and off-site backups. What that means is on the server itself, I'm taking a backup, and then way far away in Europe, I take a backup as well every single day. I do a security scan every single week just to make sure nothing has fallen through the cracks here. If you have any security issues, I'll do a performance scan once a week that says how fast your website is loading, see if there's any issues we need to take care of. Also, I'll do all those plugin updates, the theme updates, the actual WordPress core software updates. I'll do that. It says twice a month. I actually do it every week now. I'll optimize your database. I'll do that once a week as well. I'll review your plugins and your themes, make sure all your licenses are legitimate. I do that once a month. And like I said before, SSL certificates, your website is secure, is included with your hosting. I give you a development environment just so we can do some changes. So if you have big changes to your website, we can do that in an environment. Malware protection, if you get hacked, I'll take care of it. And you'll get a healthcare report every month. So first of every month, you get a report. Looks like this. It'll show all the activities that we have done, such as how many updates, how many backups, the uptime, which should be 100% every time, and some security and performance, etc. All these details here. You can go to this website and see the details for what I include on this monthly report, such as the backups, like I said, the uptime. Like this website here, 142 days without any kind of an issue. Going through your security, right? Did all these scans, looks like 7 times that month, no issues any of the times. And then performance, doing great on performance. 93% is stellar. This website goes very, very fast. And yeah, there we go. So that's what I have. Here are my plans. I have a larger plan here I'm happy to talk to you about on the phone. But care plans are essential for a WordPress website. Got to keep it safe, secure, performing well. Feel free to contact me with any questions. Thanks so much.